Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME GT 70, and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So at first, enroll settings, then find and select apps. Here click on app management to enroll all apps that you have. Choose the one that you wish to clear this cache to, for example AI Studio in my case. Go a bit lower and open storage usage. And here actually there is no cache to be cleaned, but if it's available, just mark it. As it's brand new device, there is no app that I can make it to. But basically all you have to do is to click on this clear cache tab, and then it will be done. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.